Hi everyone, welcome to the 20th episode of the Logophile Lounge. In this episode, we will learn academic writing. I am Saket, the founder of ACT, and the Logophile Lounge is a weekly video series dedicated to content writing and digital marketing. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest update and enhance your knowledge in 5 minutes, and hit the like button if you like this video.
So let us discuss academic writing. The primary purpose of academic writing is to meet the requirements of academic institutions such as colleges or universities. Academic writing is also used for publications that are presented in conferences or used by researchers or teachers. Academic writing is done to explain a topic to the readers, so it is technical in nature. All the assignments given in an academic setting are example of academic writing. Here are some examples: essays, assignments, case study, literature review, report writing, research paper, dissertation and thesis, and conference papers, etc. Each of these examples follow the same writing style. However, they differ in format and structure. To become an expert academic writer, you should know the structure of each of these examples. How to become an academic writer? Use a formal and simple language. Be objective and stay focused on the topic. A majority of academic pieces of content are written in third person and in a neutral tone. So, do not use terms like I, we, you, etc. You can use passive voice to stay neutral while explaining an incident or a topic. Then take a balanced approach. Don't use informal or emotional language or even strong words. For example, don't use words like wonderful or terrible. Rather, use more moderate words such as helpful or problematic. Maintain a proper structure. In every piece of academic content, the structure is predefined. As a writer, follow the given structure strictly. Also maintain the appropriate word count for every section of a particular piece of content. Then support your content with appropriate evidence. Offer evidence to support your arguments. Use relevant data, facts, statistics, quotes, etc. to add substance to your ideas. Then avoid plagiarism. This is most important. All universities have an acceptable level of plagiarism. Your paper will be rejected if it has a higher plagiarism than prescribed by the university. So make sure that your content is plagiarism free. The concept of plagiarism is quite interesting. Many students write plagiarized content without knowing it and score low marks or even fail because of plagiarism. So we have done the 5th episode of the Logophile Lounge on plagiarism. I request you to watch that video to understand the concept of plagiarism and how to check and avoid plagiarism in your content. You can find a link to that video in the description of this current video. A reality check. A majority of academic assignments are evaluated based on proper referencing, well-defined structure, and plagiarism-free content. In some cases, even the quality of content takes a backseat and entire focus is given on these parameters. Therefore, invest your time in getting these parameters right to score better. There are two major factors that have led to a massive demand for academic writers. The first factor is the exceptional growth of the e-learning industry. And the second factor is increasing tendency of students to outsource their assignments. There is a huge shortage of skilled academic writers to meet ever increasing demand. Therefore, certified academic writers can easily earn more than 1 lakh rupees per month in a normal setup. In fact, many freelance writers earn a majority of their income from writing academic assignments of their clients. You don't need a specialized degree to become an academic writer. You can simply get certified and start your academic writing career immediately. If you want to transform your academic writing skills, then consider joining ACT Content Writing course. ACT has designed a unique content writing course that covers academic writing and other writing styles in details which help you transform your writing skills in just 90 days. ECT is also recognized by the Government of India, so a certification from a government recognized institute will also boost your career and build trust and credibility in the employment market. The link to the entire ECT content writing course is given in the description of this video. Please go through it and do let us know if you have any questions or queries.
Do you have any topics that you want me to cover in the next few episodes? Then please mention that in the comment below and I will try to cover them in the next few videos. Hit the like button if you like the video and subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest update. Thank you very much for watching this video.